Hello everyone, welcome back to Creation DIY. Usually, to create a strong metal corner joint, we have to use welding methods. But what if we make the joint without any welding machine? Will it still be strong and durable? Today, I'll show you step by step how to make a metal corner joint without welding, using a simple method that even most welders don't know about. Make sure to watch until the end. The result will definitely surprise you. Step 1. Draw a straight line on one side of the metal piece. Next, use a tri-square or angle ruler to mark the correct angle. From the center line you've made, draw diagonal lines to the right and left sides, making sure both lines connect symmetrically to the center. This step is important to ensure your metal joint will have a precise and strong angle. Next, draw 3 straight lines on the opposite side of the metal piece. Make sure these 3 lines are aligned and symmetrical with the previous lines you've already made. This step ensures that the position and angle of the metal joint are accurate and precise before assembling. Then, move on to the next side of the metal piece. Draw a straight line connected to the center of the main line, and add 2 side lines that follow the same pattern as the first side you made earlier. Use the angle feature on your tri-square to ensure all lines have the same and precise angle. This step helps keep the joint even and symmetrical from every side. Next, mark all the triangles and squares, except for one square, which should remain unmarked. This step helps you avoid mistakes during the cutting process. Once everything is marked, carefully cut along the marked lines, leaving the unmarked square intact. That unmarked section will serve as the main connector for the metal corner joint. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it down in the comments and let me know. I'm really happy to see that we can connect from all around the world. Here's what the cut looks like. It's simple and easy to do, even without any special skills. But to make it safer to handle, sand or grind the edges of the metal pieces. These edges can be very sharp and could cause injuries if not smoothed out properly. Make sure all sides are smooth before moving on to the next step. Next, bend outward the remaining uncut section of the metal. This part will act as a locking tab, which helps make the corner joint stronger and more stable. Then, bend the main metal piece until it forms a perfect angle. Make sure the corner is precise so the joint looks neat and holds firmly. For the final step, insert one screw to connect the 2 metal sides that form the corner. Place the screw on the locking section to make the joint solid, durable, and resistant to deformation. After the joint is perfectly connected, lightly sand the connection area to smooth the surface, then apply some filler to cover any small holes or gaps. This method makes the joint look clean and neat, while also providing excellent strength, comparable to a welded connection. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button now and join our community, because we still have many interesting ideas to share with you. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support really helps us stay motivated to create more amazing and helpful videos. Also, share this simple trick with your friends or family. Who knows, it might be useful for them in the future. Thank you for taking the time to watch. And see you in the next video.